Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I hope you all are doing absolutely awesome. This is Parthiv from the Tech Geek and I'm back. Yes, after a long time. So in this video, I'm gonna review a smartphone. Yes, this is my first smartphone review where I'm gonna review the Nokia 5.1 Plus. So, coming up. As I've already unboxed the phone, here are the box contents for your reference. Of course, the phone, the SIM ejector pin, a regular wall adapter, a Type-C cable, an earphone, and let's now get to the Nokia. HMD Global is trying to get their foothold in the budget segment in India, and this phone is a clear-cut example of that. This phone is powered by the powerful MediaTek Helio P60 processor and it comes with 3 GB of RAM. The phone packs in 32 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 400 GB via a micro SD card. Let's now get to the physical overview of the phone. The Nokia 5.1 Plus feels premium in the hand. Trust me guys, you won't find any other phone feeling so much premium in the hand. It has got 2.5D glass to the front and back and it looks stylish. To the back we have got the Nokia logo and the Android One logo along with a fingerprint sensor, 2 cameras and a single LED flash. And as usual it looks cool. To the left we have got the SIM tray, which is a hybrid SIM slot bad. To the right we have got the volume rockers and the power on off switch. On the top we have the headphone jack, oh god it's present, and the secondary microphone for the noise cancellation. On the bottom we have the Type-C port, cool, and the speakers and the primary microphone. To the front there's a notch which looks beautiful and a HD plus display. Nokia should have gone with full HD plus, but you will not notice so much difference in it. Done with the physical overview, now let's get to the extras. The fingerprint sensor is fast and accurate and the speaker quality is really good. You will notice some lag in the bass, but the clarity of the speaker is really good. Also there is Google's trusted face unlock, which used to be in the older Android devices, but it works fine in this device, so you don't need to worry about that. So the extras are done. Now only part left is the camera, so let's jump into it. The Nokia 5.1 Plus gets a 13 megapixel f2.0 plus 5 megapixel primary camera on the rear end and a 8 megapixel front shooter for selfies. The camera quality is good. Also I noticed some lag in the details and the dynamic range was also average. You can judge by yourself and I will show you some of the camera samples shot with the Nokia 5.1 Plus. So let's do it. As far as the pricing is concerned, the Nokia 5.1 Plus is priced at 10,999 for the 3 GB RAM variant and it is the best phone you can get at this price. I have put the Best Buy links in the description box below, so if you want to get this device then do check the description box. So that was about the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you didn't like it, you can give it a thumbs down. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time a new video goes live on this YouTube channel. Also, do tell me on what content should I make my next video. So till the next video, I am bidding you a goodbye.